Hey guys, Aaron here. So in today's video, we're going to go over how to change out the upper and lower thermostat in an A.O. Smith water heater. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and get notified as soon as the newest videos come out. Let's get started. Now, the one reason I'm out here doing this today, you can let me know what your thoughts on this, is I got a quote to do this here, and that's to replace the thermostat up top and the thermostat on bottom for $600. Now, honestly, it's less than $50 worth of parts, and it's really not that hard to do. I don't know. I thought that was a little extreme on the quote. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is shut off our power to our water heater. Now, I'm pretty sure I got my power off, but I can always test that too. So let's go ahead and just remove the safety cover here. A little electrical tape here. I'm just going to tape this back out of the way. It may just come out. So what we're going to do is just going to take our multimeter, set it to volts, and then we're going to touch our leads to the top two screws on the thermostat. And at that point, you should get no reading, which should tell you have no power. Now, the other thing here is we want to make sure we take note of what wires are what and where they go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snap a quick picture. Now you can also tag them, put labels on them, whatever you want to do. Now we can go ahead and start disconnecting the wires and then remove the thermostat. Then down here inside, you're going to see a couple clips here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to, once everything is loose, just pull this forward and slide this up. And then you can just, these wires are out of the way. Pull that out like that. And there you go, that's out. Take the new one. And just slide it back in behind there. You're really going to have to pull those out. Make sure all your wires are out of the way. And then slide it down. And it'll clip into place on both sides. See right there, it's clipped into place. And we're just going to connect all our wires back up. And this again is where it's good to have have a picture or something so you can see where each wire goes. And we're going to take our cover plate here, snap that on. Now the bottom one, again, same idea. With the cover plate here. Again, keep track of your wiring here. A picture, something like that. It's only two wires though. Rub your wires. Slide it up. And just pop it out like that. And take our new one. Move your insulation out of there. Get your wires out of the way. And slide it down. Slides down pretty easily. Reattach your wires. Last thing we're going to do is check our settings. Recommended is 120. Again, you can change that a little bit if you want, but it should be set that way when you buy it, but you want to just verify that. So set both of them to 120. Put our insulation back. And now with the power back on, you should hear it start hissing and starting to heat the water, assuming the thermostat was your issue.